Hello! In front of me I have Haylou Smart Watch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see the brightness icon, the one that looks like a sun. And we can tap on it. And this should bring you to this menu, and you can adjust the screen brightness by tapping on the plus and minus buttons. Set the brightness level to your liking, then you can swipe right on the screen to go back. And press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.